Welcome back. So we are covering a lot of tools within SMrush, all the functionalities and features. I wanted to create a separated video on SMrush integrations alone because SMrush as a marketing, SEO and PPC tool has a lot of integrations. So I wanted to just give you an overview insight on all the different integrations available for you using SMrush. So I have opened up a page within SMrush knowledge base. I will leave the link in the description. Basically, this page is specifically saying me all the integrations available within SMrush. First, integrations with Google products. If you scroll down, you can see obviously 7 integration point is available with SMrush with Google Analytics. I can click on it to see all the data. It is connected with Google Search Console. It is connected with Google Ads where they can directly connect it. But with PPC Toolkit, you can upload, fix, add manual connection. So there is no automatic connection. There is a manual connection. You can do that. Google Business Profile is available. If you buy the additional plan, which I showed you under local SEO, that is option is available. Gmail is available to connect your inbox, email inbox to link building to help you with outreach. Google Docs integration is available where you can install their Google SEO writing assistant add-on to your Google document spreadsheet itself. Then you can use SEO writing assistant within Google Docs itself. And you can also use within their Content Shake AI. I will explain this when I'm creating a video on Google SMrush marketing apps. Then Looker Studio import data is available. Google Sheet is available where you can export the keywords directly into Google Sheet. Google Search using SEO Quick. You can use this to manage your use this particular extension to use Google Search and show the data under Google Search ranking snippets. Google Tag Manager. Then they have integrations with social networks. Here under social networks, you can see they have integration with Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Most of them are available under social tracker, which I didn't create video on it because I don't have access to it because it need a separate subscription, which I'm not using it. I'm using other tools for my personal need. Then integrations with partners. This is where SMrush itself tried to partner with several other main software or SaaS within the spaces. Maybe you can use SMrush through these tools as well. So they are giving some example. First, all-in-one SEO WordPress plugin where they have the option to see focus keyword from SMrush directly from their plugin, WordPress plugin. Monday, they have access to that plugin and what kind of data it provides you with that. Page Cloud, Render Forest, ScaleNut is another AI content creation AI tool plugin software which I have access to it. I'll create a separate video for it, and you can see SMrush within that. Surfer SEO, a content optimization tool, and that tool also have SMrush data which helps you to bring competitive SEO keyword data within Surfer SEO as well. Then Wix Asset, a website building platform, and QuickBlog, another cloud-based app which helps you to create SEO-friendly blogs very quickly. Then AI integration. SMrush also offers variety of tools on AI like AI writing assistant, SEO writing assistant, Content Shake AI social content generator. All these tools are available with the link for it. Other integration include WordPress where they have a WordPress plugin for SEO writing assistant. Basically, you can go into WordPress plugin database, search for it SEO content writing assistant SMrush, you will find it, or I'll leave a link in the description also. Trello option is available, Zapier option is available, all these options also available. So as of now, these are the integration which is available through